Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a vehicle that has bad control arm bushings. Stay with us, we'll explain the symptoms of bad control arm bushings, how it can affect your car, why it's so dangerous to drive with bad bushings, and how it can cause thousands of damages to your vehicle. All that will be covered in this video today. We'll be demonstrating on a Ford, but doesn't matter if you have a Ford, Mercedes, BMW, Chevy, anything guys, it will work practically. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repairs, provided absolutely for free guys to you. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy new control arm bushings, control arms, anything for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here guys. You can see this is a vehicle that we'll be demonstrating on. This is guys here a control arm that will be replacing this one on a Porsche Cayenne. If you have a higher mileage vehicle, believe me or not, your control arm bushings will go bad sooner or later. Now on that Porsche Cayenne, it's a super heavy duty built suspension guys. This is a really tough suspension. It went out at 191,000 miles. On that Ford here, they went out at 81,000 miles, and it's a hybrid. It's even been driven quite easily as well. This is the main rear bushing. You can see you have a front bushing. Now that's where the shock attaches to the on the Porsche, but most vehicles will not have that one, and you have a ball joint. And let me get here now, okay? I want to get under the vehicle. I want to show you first that control arm here. You see you have the ball joint here, okay? That's your ball joint. Then right here you have a front control arm bushing and a rear one. The rear one is usually the big one. That's the one that actually guys, takes all the stress. When you brake, when you hit the brake, all that stress will be caught by that bushing. And when it goes bad guys, okay, I'll show you in a second in the back side how bad it is. Make sure to stand till the end. It will cause movement of this the control arm. That movement will allow tire movement as well. That will make your vehicle super unstable guys, because when it moves, okay, the vehicle moves. So if you guys hit the brakes and the steering wheel goes left or right a little bit, kind of like it feels like it's moving, and you may even feel like the tire is moving to the back, especially when you're braking, that's a sign of a bad control arm bushing. Clunking noise, okay, noise from the suspension when you apply the brakes as well. Squeaking noise, let me explain why now. Okay, I want to go all the way to the back now. Give me a second to curl myself here, okay. And that control arm bushing is shot guys. You can see those cracks, that's broken rubber. When water gets in there, you may even hear a squeaking coming out of it. So noises coming out, okay. Vehicle being unstable because you have movement in the control arm. Clunking noises guys, uneven tire wear because your alignment will be off due to that movement. Also another thing that you can easily experience guys is ABS or traction control light on, because the alignment will be off and the steering angle sensor will detect that as the alignment not being correct. So quite a few things can be caused by control arm bushing. If you don't replace it on time, it's dangerous, makes the vehicle super unstable. Also you can put more damage to your vehicle. This one on this side is broken as well. Now what's my theory why that Ford C-Max broke them so early, even though it's a pretty new vehicle with lower mileage? It's the fact that it's a hybrid energy vehicle, plug-in hybrid, which is heavy, and those bushings are practically not built to withstand that extra battery that it has guys, and eventually it will have more stress when you're stopping. So you get the idea. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.